Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Monday night, about 9:30 or about a half hour away from our 10 o'clock newscast, looking at some new data. A quiet, cold night, boy, wasting no time getting near and below freezing. And we are setting up for really a widespread freeze overnight tonight. Now, these are the numbers as of, what time is it? Yeah, 9:30. Temperatures already down in the upper 20s to low 30s. Look at Ashaway is already at 29. You got 32 in Coventry, 35 in Providence, 30 in New Bedford. And obviously plenty of nighttime to go through for these numbers to fall. So we're going to be heading down as cold as 25 degrees. Now, we have rain on the way, but it's not until actually Tuesday night. We're tracking this moisture across the Central Plains and Deep South, headed our way, probably arriving around 9, 10 o'clock Friday evening, Friday night, in the form of cold rain. Now, it could start for a few hours as some wet snow north and west of Providence, but even there, a quick change over to rain. Believe me, you don't need the snow shovel. What you need is a warm coat and an umbrella tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. As you see some of the chilly air that's on top of us right now, so as this moisture advances north and east, let's track this. Now, we'll stop things at about 8 o'clock in the morning, and at that time, we've got just, some cold sunshine. Precipitation is still well to our south. Here we are Tuesday evening around 4 o'clock. Precipitation still south and west of New York City. And then by Tuesday night, arriving between like 9 and 10 o'clock. In fact, here we are at 11 o'clock. The blue represents actually some snow, which is essentially central and northern New England. So we're not getting any accumulations. We're getting mainly rain. And notice how this spills over into early Wednesday morning. Snow continues up upstate New York and the mountains of Maine, New Hampshire, and Vermont. Yeah, getting some accumulations up there. So here's how it breaks down. You can see the mountains in darker blue getting several inches. And then notice, the northwest hills of Connecticut, the Berkshires right in here, western Mass. You may see a coating to an inch. And notice nothing's painted here in southeastern New England. We are getting mainly rain. So we're getting real close, and let's take a look at the temperatures that'll be dropping overnight. In fact, these numbers may be a little conservative. I do think some spots are going to be colder than this. This is around 6 in the morning, though I do think some spots will be down to 25. Bottom line, it is very cold, considering, where we've been the first half of November, which is fairly warm. So 7 o'clock in the morning, it's down in the 20s, sunshine. 11 a.m., we're at about 41. The average high for this time of year is about 54. And all we can do is 44, 45 degrees with sun through increasing clouds in the afternoon. It's dry and it's chilly, and then we'll bring in some of that rain Tuesday night, and that should spill over at least into the first half of Wednesday. Better part of the upcoming week is actually much colder than where we've been the last couple of weeks. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.